cheese-filled beautiful Turkish pastry poğaça with an interesting touch. It's going to be a perfect company for your breakfast, lunch or as a snack. This is Ayşenur Altan. Let's make it. In a mixing bowl, I'm adding lukewarm beetroot juice. This is just the water of 1 cooked beetroot, sprinkling 2 teaspoons yeast and 1 tablespoon sugar. Let it rest until it is frothy, about 5 minutes. Add 3/4 of a cup vegetable oil, 3/4 of a cup yogurt, and 2 egg whites. We're gonna keep the yolk for the egg wash. After all the wet ingredients, I'm adding 5 cups all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add more if needed, and going to mix along with 2 teaspoons salt. I already had beetroot powder at home, so I wanted to add a bit more. But if you want to have a beautiful nice pink color, I think the best idea would be to add some beetroot puree. I continue to knead the dough and let it rest until it is doubled. Meanwhile, my daughter Zeynep prepared a quick broccoli salad. She filmed it for a short, but it came out so delicious. I also wanted to put it here, and it was the same moment we are making it. So she steamed cooked the broccolis, also diced cooked beetroot and pickles, added some cooked corn kernels and sauteed red peppers. You can also use grilled red peppers. Usually we use it from the freezer, but this time we had the fresh, so we just sauteed it. Adding some olive oil, lemon juice, grape vinegar, and salt. She also added some pul biber pepper flakes and give it a nice mix. It came out really flavorful and delicious. A quick question before I continue to the poğaça. Would you prefer to see some of the recipes in short forms or prefer them longer? And don't forget to give thumbs up to my daughter. Okay, me back on the stage. I'm mixing a crumbled Turkish white cheese. These are aged with chopped parsley. My dough has risen. It is in nice beautiful pink color. And I'm gonna show you now 2 different ways to shape using cheese filling and one without it as a bun. With the help of your palm, open one piece of dough, add generously from the filling and close from the sides to the top, sealing the cheese, and roll it a little bit and then press. You can also do it in the countertop. If you are new to shaping, it might be easier. For the next shape, I'm gonna use a small rolling pin. Roll out a bit more thinly than we did with our hand, and cut with a knife till the middle. As you can see, place from the filling, seal first with the half of the dough and then continue to roll, and you will end up having nice strips on top. Bend a little bit like a crescent and place it to the baking tray.
Evet evet. Çok
You can also work with the dough without cheese. Serve it as a bun or rich bread with the breakfast. Just roll the dough to make a thin stick and then make a knot and seal the ends under the dough. I got 26 pieces of poğaças. I'm gonna cover it with a freezer bag and let it rest until it doubles.
Evet, ne güzel kabarmış. Kendime yer yaptım. Kalkmam buradan artık.
My oven is preheated to 200 Celsius degree. After a good egg wash, I sprinkled some sesame seeds and nigella seeds, and it is ready to bake. If the yeast dough risen after shaping well and the oven is preheated, it takes about 20 minutes. Beautiful golden color and still soft inside. A little bit faded pink color coming from the beetroot water, and inside you can also see a bit darker.
Yarısını ver. Peki yarısı nerede?
It was really soft and beautiful. My daughter was waiting, so I gave the other half to her after showing. And since I also baked beautiful pumpkin bread for home and apple cookies for us, along with the poğaça, I forgot to film our tea with my mom and daughter. But I have all of the recipes on the channel. I'm gonna add the details in the description box below. I hope you give it a try and enjoy as we did. I have many other similar recipes that goes well with breakfast, tea or snack time. Check them in the description box. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.